May I come in, ma'am?
Come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's your name?
My name is Kashish.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
So, are you here for the teacher position?
Yes.
Okay, well. So, may I have your resume? Well, so Kashish,
Yes.
first I would like to know about yourself.
My name is Kashish, and I before 3 years I live Anpal, but now currently I living in Lajpat Nagar, and before here coming I teaching 2 schools, and I have 2 years experience.
Okay. So, what subject do you want to teach?
English.
English. Why?
Because English is a not difficult subject, and I also my favorite subject is English.
Okay. So, do you have any other skills and diploma?
Yes, I can singing and dancing, and also I teach games.
Okay, games. Well,
Yes.
so let me see your resume. Have you qualified BA?
Yes.
Okay, and B.Ed also. It was your big journey, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
So, English. So, do you have any computer skills?
Yes, of course.
Okay, computer skills is better in this line.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I'm asking. So, as you know, English is considered as a toughest and linguistical subject for a student.
Yeah, because students always all subject I think student always all subject take difficult, because some students they are not study, and but I think English is not a difficult subject. English is a easy for better than Hindi.
Okay, so I think English is considered as a tough subject because of this is Western culture.
Yes.
Well, so do you have any experience?
Yes, I already tell you I have 2 years experience
In which school?
on daffodils.
Daffodils.
Yes.
So why have you left from here?
Because I transfer Anpar to Lajpat Nagar, then daffodils is too far there. Then I left.
Okay. So that was the reason behind this.
Yes.
As you know, there are 20 interviewers and selected posts is only 7. So for what special quality I should select you?
Because I think I have more experience in English, and I think I can teach perfectly their students better than others.
But how? You have to explain there. Any games, any other ideas to teach, make understand better?
Just like many chapters too much long, but I will study that like a story.
Okay. That is story
I
in a summary way.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I think that in story way children understand better.
Okay. So what will you do in a situation where children's getting highest mark in English, but they are not good in English speaking? So what kind of steps will you take to make understand better and encourage them to speak in English?
I force them, because you speak in English, because when you speak, then you learn that how to speak.
Okay, well, so I like your way of thinking and way of presenting your thoughts. I like. So well, so do you have any questions about this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so the announcement of result will be announced on 1 January. Okay, thank you. You can go. You can go.